Ever pondered how your organization can sharpen its decision-making process? How to navigate the complex labyrinth of business uncertainties and come out on top? Enter the fascinating realm of scenario analytics, a game-changing tool that can revolutionize the way your company makes its critical decisions. Scene script. Picture a chess game. Each move you make is based on the potential responses of your opponent. You plan multiple steps ahead, considering various scenarios and their potential outcomes. Now imagine applying this same strategic thinking to your business decisions. That's what scenario analytics is all about. Scenario analytics is a sophisticated analytical tool that incorporates the use of multiple hypothetical scenarios to predict possible outcomes. It's like having a crystal ball that provides a glimpse into the future, allowing you to prepare and strategize for various eventualities. This process starts with the identification of key factors that could impact your business. These factors could be anything from economic trends, market dynamics, to technological advancements. Once you've identified these factors, you then develop hypothetical scenarios based on possible changes in these elements. Think of these scenarios as different paths your business could take in the future. Each path is shaped by different combinations of the key factors you've identified. For example, how would your business fare in a scenario of economic downturn? Or what if a new technology disrupts your industry? Scenario analytics allows you to explore these possibilities and more. These scenarios are then analyzed using advanced algorithms and simulations. The goal: to predict potential outcomes and their impacts on your business. This gives you a comprehensive understanding of the potential risks and opportunities that may lie ahead, empowering you to make informed decisions. So, how does scenario analytics benefit your company? Firstly, it provides a structured approach to dealing with uncertainties. Instead of making decisions based on gut feelings or past experiences, you can make data-driven decisions that consider multiple possible futures. Secondly, scenario analytics enhances your company's resilience. By identifying potential risks and opportunities in advance, you can develop strategies to mitigate these risks and leverage the opportunities. This proactive approach can give your company a competitive edge in today's volatile business environment. Lastly, scenario analytics promotes a culture of strategic thinking within your company. It encourages your team to think beyond the present, to anticipate changes and to plan for the future. This forward-thinking mindset can drive innovation and propel your company towards long-term success. In conclusion, scenario analytics is not just a tool, but a mindset. It's about embracing uncertainty, exploring possibilities, and preparing for the future. It's about making informed decisions that can steer your company towards success, no matter what the future holds. It's about playing the long game and playing it well. So, the next time you find yourself at the crossroads of decision-making, remember the power of scenario analytics. It's the compass that can guide your company through the complex terrain of business uncertainties towards a future of success and growth.